Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So here I'm showing you the areas that I'm going to fill. So I will be filling these ghosts. So here I have filled them and these are cured. And I filled one with the white color and one with the black color. So I'm going to combine two molds here. So these are such versatile molds by Molds and Shape, and recently this is their Halloween release, and I have few videos on different types of mold they have released, so I will link everything above here so you can see. So I have made a potion bottle out of this one, but for now I'm going to do something else. So these are cured now and I'm going to remove them. So you can see that there is some space and you can pour resin. So there is another style of mold, the witch and the cat, that I created. I was thinking before doing with that one, but then I thought I'm going to do this for my second mold. And this is again the holographic mold by Molds and Shape, and I'm going to transfer these into coasters now. So I have poured my clear resin and now just a very thin layer of clear resin because I'm going to set these. So in other words, you can say that these are silhouettes. So I have poured the resin. Now I'm going to use a little bit of heat gun just to move my resin. So my resin, it's already done, and I'm going to arrange these. These ghosts are so cute, and actually I made glow in the dark one. You can make glow in the dark one also, and then you can add them into your resin coasters. I just went a black and white theme here. So I'm going to arrange them. And in this way you can make bigger trays also. It's really up to you. This is just an idea. And now I'm going to, before I was thinking that I'm going to put the white pad into the black one and the black one into the white one, but then I'm going to bag these with black and white resin. So that's the reason I went with black and black and white and white. And after that I will leave them to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I have mixed my resin. So I have mixed my black resin and my white resin. So I'm going to use this as a backing now into my coaster mold. And before doing that, I added a little bit of iridescent glitter, and now I am adding some interference pigment. So this is a violet interference pigment just to add a little bit of extra, you can say. So that's it, what I will be doing here. So here these are cured now, and now I'm going to do the top layer. And for black one I'm going to pour the white one, and for my white one I'm going to pour the black one. So something really funny happened here. After I poured the resin, I got confused and I was thinking that I made a mistake. I pour white on white and black, and I was a bit confused, but thank God it was all right when I checked back. And after doing this, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Everything is cured now. Super excited to see how these turned out. I'm going to remove these out of the mold since this is a holographic mold. So I'm super excited to see the results now. So here we go. For this is the white one, and this is how it's looking like. It is so cute. Yeah, I just simply went with this idea here. I didn't add anything much. It's really up to you. You can add some plants, some decoration. It's really up to you, whatever you like to do, but I just went with a little bit of iridescent glitter and this holographic look. And yeah, so I'm really happy how this turned out. In this way you can use two molds and turn them into something one, and plus you can play with the holographic effect. It's so fun. And now I was just deciding to add a little bit of edging. So this is the chrome markers by J Diction. I'm going to use their gold marker from the kit. It has silver and copper and this gold color, and I'm going to use this on the edges now, simply because these coasters do not need any top coat, otherwise the holographic effect will be vanishing. So this is the final look of this coaster. So after doing this, let's see how they look like. So this is the final look. Yeah, not much to do, but so fun to make. So yeah, and also very easy, beginners friendly project here. So that's it for today. I know it is a very small tutorial, but sometimes very little things create something so unique and amazing. So if you have any suggestions or feedback, please do let me know, and like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.